Functional fitness for all, from roots to fruits and tall. Hi, I'm Dr. Jen, your favorite physical therapist with a passion for wellness and prevention. And today on the Genergy Wellness Show, we're making smoothies. I always start with some fresh fruit. So today we've got an apple. It's a Fuji apple. We're gonna stick her right in there. And then we've got some fresh peaches from the farmer's market. So we're gonna stick those in there as well. And these have already been washed. Okay. All right, next we're gonna put in some fresh blueberries. Blueberries are loaded with antioxidants and they actually have more vitamin C per ounce than oranges. So they're great for your immune system. You know what, let's just go ahead and put all of them in there. Okay, and then we've got some strawberries. Throw a couple in there. I've got my compost pile right here. And then the real power in this smoothie is the spinach. And if you put enough fruit in there, you really can't even taste that there's spinach. Okay. All right, let's do one more strawberry. And then I've got 2.5 cups of baby spinach right here. I'm just gonna dump that right in. All right, then we've got some almond milk here. And this is my favorite almond milk because it doesn't have the carrageenan. All right. So this is the Califia Farms almond milk. And I don't get too crazy on measuring because it's gonna taste delicious one way or the other. So I'll let you see how much liquid we used right there. And this is a Ninja blender. I love it, but you have to be super careful. The blades are very, very sharp. All right, so we've got fresh fruit. I like to put a banana in there. If you're trying to watch your sugar, skip the banana because they do have a lot of sugar, but it makes it taste better. Okay, from here, I like to throw in a tablespoon of flaxseed. Flaxseed is really good for you with the omegas in it, so I just sprinkle some of that on top. You know what, let's go ahead and do a second tablespoon there. Okay. And then just a little bit of cinnamon. And some ginger. We already cut up this ginger the other day. You gotta be careful with how much ginger you put in because it's a really, really strong flavor that can overpower your smoothie. So I'm just doing a little bit of ginger there. Okay. And I'll show you what it looks like before you cut it up. Isn't that cool looking? Okay. The last thing, I like to squeeze some fresh lemon in there. It helps it last longer. And again, the citrus is really good for you. And I am gonna put some frozen fruit in there too so that it's nice and chilled, but it's getting pretty close to the top here, so I'm gonna blend it down first, and then we'll add the frozen. All right, here we go, mixing it up. Looks good. Oh, smells delicious. Next, and I just have a mixed bag of fruit from Publix. So this one is frozen, and it has strawberries, peach, mango, pineapple, and red seedless grapes. And again, I don't get real crazy about measuring because nobody has time for that. Just make sure you don't go above the max line or you're going to wear out your blender's motor. Smoothie dance! How much more it needs. Looks like it's getting pretty close. Let's do one more round. Check it out. Here goes nothing. It's not the prettiest color, but it is loaded with vitamins and nutrients. And it actually tastes pretty good. No recipe required, no measuring. We literally just took spinach, and honestly, I did measure the spinach today, but usually I just grab 2 big handfuls, throw it in there, some almond milk, whatever fruit you have laying around the house in the fridge, some lemons, some flaxseed, some cinnamon, some ginger, and you are ready to go with a delicious beverage. Have a beautiful day. I hope you liked this video and that it's encouraged you to drink some smoothies, eat more vegetables and fruit. There's so many different fruits and veggies out there that you can add to these smoothies. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and make sure to ring the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Drop me a comment below with your favorite smoothie that I should try. Be happy, healthy, and strong.